Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all were fine. Children, tell me that what is the date today? Firstly, tell me what is the date today? Today is 4. Which month is going on? July, and year is 2020. So July is seventh month of the year, right? So date is 4 2004 7 2020, right? So children, you all will see over here that there is a column, right? Maths column, which is drawn in your on your notebooks, right? Children, in my previous video I already taught you that how to add numbers, 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers, right? And some properties, right? But today I am going to teach you that some sums, how to add numbers, 3-digit numbers on fingers. Okay, children, I gave you some examples of toffees, some examples of fruits and chocolates, right? But as you all are in class 2 or class 2nd standard, so you have to, it's time to learn how to count numbers on your fingers. Okay, so firstly take some sums, like firstly how to write. And children, here I make this blog because you all have to learn how to write numbers in these blocks. Okay, how to write, because some children send me the snapshot of the homework, but one or two children write it very incorrect way. So you have to learn how to write. Okay, so children, firstly here is the tens and ones column. Okay, first question is that 37, second 41, third is 11. Okay, so children, firstly in my previous video I already told you first addend, second addend and third addend. Okay, so which number is first addend? This number is first addend, ADD ENDS, addends. Okay, 37 is the first addends, 41 is the second addend, SECUND, second addends, and 11 is the third addends. Okay, EHIRD, third addends. Okay, now children, as I already told you that counting numbers not with the help of trophies, with the help on our fingers. Okay, the lines which is drawn in the fingers, we have to count it. Okay, so children, first number is 37, second is 41 and 11, but we have to add column wise, right? So 0, 7, 1 and 1. Firstly we have to see ones column. In ones column, 7, first number is 7, second is 1 and 1. First is 7, 7 means 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Here is 7, 7 plus 1 is, here is 7, then plus 1 means one more line we have to take. So here is 7, we have to put finger on it. Okay, now let's count all these lines, okay, together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Children, you already told me you already we add all these numbers orally, but I want to teach you counting numbers on your fingers. Okay, now 7 plus 1 is 8, but here again one number more, so this number we have to add it in 8. So 8 plus 1 is, orally tell me, 8 plus 1 is, yes, 9. Okay, 9. Now in the tens column 3. Take, okay children, first number is 3. In 3 plus 4 is 3. 1 2 3. In 3 plus 4 is 1 2 3 4. 4. Okay, so we have to put finger in it. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have to put finger on it. Then now tell me that what is the result comes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 plus 4 is 7, but in 7 we have to add 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8, right? So 89. So the sum comes 89. Okay, now children, we if this is the first question, but this question we again when we write second question, we have to leave one column. You don't have to write all these things, okay, all these things, because all these things I want to teach you. So you have to learn what is the first addend, what is the second addend, and what is the third addend. But all these things you don't have to write in your notebooks. Okay, now leave one column, this column. Now here leave here tens and ones. Okay, now next is 52. Second is 13. Third is 32. Okay, so now 52 is the first addend, second addend is 13, and third addend is 32, right? So children, 2 in the ones column, 2 plus 3. What is the sum comes? 2 1 2. 3 1 2 3. We have to put thumb in it. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5. In 5, which number we have to add again? 2. 5 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here 7 comes. Now in the tens column, 5 plus 1 plus 3. So 5 plus 1, tell me, 5 plus 1 is 6, and plus 3 is 5 plus 1 6. 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In 6 plus 3. So 1 2 3. We have to put finger in it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so the sum comes as 97. Okay, now let's take one more question. Okay, if we write one more question below this question, then we have to leave again this column, one column, and after one column then we have to write. Okay, the next question, the third one is number is 24, then 42, here is 21. Okay, so the sign, we put the sign over here. Now children, in the ones column, what you all see here? 4 2 and 1. Now let's we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now all these three numbers I take it on my finger. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 7 is it? 2 plus 4 plus 2. 2, 1, 2. Okay. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now we put the finger. Again I take all three numbers. Okay. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is the sum comes? 87. Okay. Now all these things you have already learned how to do the sums. If we take one more, so we have to leave one column again. After this column, then we have to write again 42, 32, 22. Okay. Now here we put the sign, and you see that every question having a separate, and every question looks different, right? So looks like one question, two question, 3, 4, right children? So this way, if you write it the presentation, if you give the presentation on your notebooks, then it's look very clearly. Okay. Now we have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 3 2. So 2 1 2, then 1 2 2, then 1 2. We have to put the finger in it. Okay. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now 6. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 1 2 3 4. 4, then plus 3. 1 2 3. 3 plus 2, 1 2. We put the finger in it, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So here is the sum comes. Okay. 96. Now children, all these things you learn how to add numbers, right, on your fingers. Now let's learn about the properties. Okay children, I told you 2 properties, but today I am going to telling you the third one. Okay, order numbers. So children, these first properties, PROPERTY, property of properties of addition, ADDITION. Okay, properties of addition. Now children, let's first property is zero property. First property is zero property. Children, if we add 0 to any number, the result which we get is the number itself. Okay, if we add 0 in any number, the sum which we get is itself. Okay children. Now let's we take examples like 5 plus 0. What is the sum? 5 plus 0 means if you have 5 toffees, 0 means nothing. I gave you nothing. Then How many trophies you have? You have 5 trophies only. Okay, so here is the 5. Now children, if we change this order, write 0 plus 5. Children, if you have nothing, means 0, right? If I gave you 5 trophies, how many trophies you have? 5, right children? So the answer is 5. Is there any change in it? No. If we change the order, then the answer should be the same. Okay, and if we add 0 in any number, we get the number itself. Okay, now if we take the next example, 184 means 184 plus 0. What is the sum comes? 184 plus 0. What is the sum comes? Sum comes 184 because the number itself. If we add 0, the number itself is in. Okay. Now let's 29 plus dash. So if we take, now I am taking some fill in the blanks examples, like a fill in the blanks. Okay, 29 plus dash is equals to 29. Right children? Children, now tell me what we have to fill here, that the number is the same, the result is same, 29, and here this question is also 29. So which number? What we have to write in this dash? So the sum comes 29. What? 0. Okay, 0 we have to write. Now children, next property is, what is the next property? Next property is add 1 to any number. Okay, add 1 to any number. Add 1 to any number means if we add 1 in any number, the answer or the sum which we get is the predecessor, is the successor, not predecessor, is the successor of that number. Okay, is the successor. Successor means if we add 1 in it, then the sums that we get is called the successor of that number. Okay, like if we take example 1 plus 7, what is the sum comes? 8. So 8 is the successor of the 7, right? Now if we take one more example, like fill in the blanks, B, here is A and B. If we take dash plus 1 is equals to 37. Now children, tell me that which number I have to fill here so that the answer comes 37 and plus 1 37. Which number in which you have to add 1 in it and the number comes? Which number comes? Which number? Yes, 36. So 36 is the predecessor of the 37, but when we add in 1 in 36, then the 37 is the successor of the 36. Okay, so children, in this way you have to understood that when we add 1, the number which we get is the successor of that number. Okay, now children, the third property is, can I rub all these things? Yes. Now children, the third property. Third property means now children, the third property is the order property. Order means children, what is the means of order? Order means if we add, just like example, if we add any number, if we take any number order, and like if we add just like example 5 plus 0 is equals to 5, right? But if we change its order, 0 plus 5, so this is the order. If we change the order of the addends, first addends in the second addends and second addend becomes the first addend, that property is called the order property. Okay, now let's we see with the help of examples. Okay, now children, if we take 12, children, if we take 12 plus 11 is equals to, what is the sums of 12 and 11? If we write 12 and 11, so 2 plus 1 is 3, right? And here is 2 finger plus 1 is 3, we write 3. We have 1 and 1, how many? 2. So the sum is 2. Okay, 23. So the sum comes is 23. In order property, the third is order property. If we change the order, 11 plus 12, then what is the sum? If we change its order, here 11 plus 12, what is the sum comes? 1 plus 2 means 1 finger and 2 more fingers. How many fingers is this? 3. Next is 1 and 1. How many fingers? 2. So 22. Is the sum changed? No, the sum is the same. So if we change the property in addition, the sum which we get is never different. Okay, if we take with the help of example or with the help of fill in the blanks, dash plus 8 is equals to 7 plus 8. So here is 7 plus 8 and dash plus 8 means what is the sum of 7? Children, if we take 8, here is the order get changed. So what we have to fill over here? We have to fill 8 is already here. There is 7. Okay, so we have to write 7 and the what is the sum? 7 plus 8. We have to count 7 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 8. Okay. Take now children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. And we add 8 in it. So add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer comes 50. Okay. if we change its order, there is no difference in the sum parts. Okay, so children, some questions I gave you in the homework as the pick. Okay, so you have to do in your notebook, and please take a snapshot and give it to me. Okay, thank you children, thank you, and have a nice day. And please children, I am telling you that please do your holiday homework and take a snapshot and give it on my personal WhatsApp number, so that I am going to check it and give you the grade marks on your homework, because according to the principal ma'am, that we all have to give the grade marks on your homework sheet. Okay, so please send me the homework and do your homework, both classwork homework and holiday homework. Okay, thank you.